In this tutorial, we will cover buying, creating and selling token baskets. Select the ERC20 Token Baskets tab from the top navigation. You will land on the Token Baskets tab where there is a list of user-generated token baskets available. There are two options when buying token baskets on the platform. Selecting the Quote action will send an offer for the token basket to the seller for review. Hover over either option for a detailed explanation of both features. If the seller accepts your offer, the transaction will be processed on the exchange. Selecting the Buy action will buy the token basket at the advertised price using your Wandx ETH balance. Located in the sub-navigation, there are three other tabs to explore. The My Token Baskets tab references your token baskets stored on the platform. These baskets can be divided to be sold individually or sold on the platform as basket assets. Next to the My Token Baskets tab, we have the Create Token Baskets tab. Here the user can generate token baskets from assets held within their MetaMask wallet. First, name your portfolio title, then select the coins you'd like to build the basket with. Under Choose Tokens, the Select Coins drop-down window will provide a list of available ERC20 assets. Once you have chosen the assets you would like to basket, the platform will show your available tokens. Enter the quantity of tokens you'd like to add to your basket. Once your basket is as desired, select Analyze to create the basket. The basket will be priced reflecting the total Wandx ETH value based on CoinMarketCap price. You can also enter the price in Wandx ETH you'd like to sell.